Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike, how you doing? Sunday evening, doing my weekly research analysis of the stock market, the crypto exchanges, and the crypto. I'm all Bitcoin tonight. Got the Bitcoin hat, got the shirt, also got the Bitcoin socks right there. Got the Bitcoin socks right there, so I got the whole package. I'm all Bitcoin tonight. Bullish about the industry. Very bearish about the stock market. I think we're in for a correction. Let's open up a couple pages and we'll see what we got going on. Invis, let's see what's going on there. So we have the Dow at an incredible high. My SSC closed up real nice, 542. Gurn, these are all the stocks we traded in the Mojo room on Friday. Open up the exchange. And we have Bitcoin 66.59. Let me do my weekly. Anybody has any things you want me to look at, you let me know. Otherwise, I'm going through what I normally do on the weekends and preparing for my week. So we'll start off with the trading. And we're very big into trading TVIX. Right? Every dip gets gobbled up, travels up real nice and high. And we traded AMD. AMD is a classic right here. You can see it's 2397 by 2398. There's 29,300 shares on the bid by 10,000 shares on the ask at 2398, and then 25,800 top ask at 2399, and then 243,800 at 24. So most people would play that as a short, betting for it to go lower because there's a wall of sellers there, and it's a very low chance that it'll go higher and catch some nice downside. So people would short there. That's what most people would do. Instead, I called it a gonzo. That's my gonzo trade play. I'll show you what that is. And we're trading ETFs. So this is the gonzo trade play. It's so cool, Pro Trader Mike named one of his trade plays after me. I wonder what it means. It's a pre-move indicator inside the level 2, resulting in a really big winner. You learn it in the Mojo University courses. And what we're trading right now is ETFs. Understanding ETFs, a little bit about them. They're the best for profitability, the best for quick trades, the best for liquidity, and the best for all-day holds. If you want to know anything about that. And, oh, by the way, you see where it closed? That was at the end of the day. AMD went high as 20, I'll show you where it went. It went to 24.40. It went 40 cents through that move. See that? Look at that move. From 24, the biggest move, it went for so long, and then all of a sudden, the biggest move was right here. How did I know that? How did I know that would happen? That the chart would do this break. People were buying it up into here. So let me show you what people were doing. Okay, let me show you. This is what I teach, and this is why 9 out of 10 traders lose. And on one trade, you as a trader would win and the other trader would lose, and vice versa. So right here, most people would catch this stock and they would buy it about right here into the breakout and catch it a little bit late. And if they didn't sell into this bar, which odds are that they didn't because everyone's greedy, look what happened. The biggest red bar, the biggest risk bar happens right here, and it covered you right from where under where you bought it. See that? So watch. When you buy here onto this breakout, up into here, a terrible drawing. So when you go to the top of this, to right here, this is your profit zone in that little move. This is your risk. Big. This is my profit zone from here. See, I bought it right under 24 to here. So this is most people's little zone right up in here. Well, that turned red right up in there. This is most people's zone right up there. And this is my zone right here, from here to here. So I'd say as far as from here to here, that line versus this line, which line has a better chance of winning in the trade? That's why one person loses and one person wins with the trading. And that was a classic example right there of AMD at 24. Let's see what else we have. Anybody out there on YouTube? Hey, what's going on? There is some people. Let's see what we have here tonight. Hey, we got, it was an incredible week. What's going on, Mr. Garrison? What's going on, Mr. Madron and Alex? Hey, nice to see you guys. So we played this IGC, made a move right there, 74, 75, 76, 77. Then we traded this stock right here, which was VJet through 4. Look at the move it made through 4. Late in the day move right up to 423. Great move in VJet. Made a move in Redfin right through 20, right up here. See it, 19 through 20. Made a great move in Redfin. TLRY was a great trade also. See the signal on Riot? 566 by 70 to go higher. Boom, 570 by 575. Every single time. See the signal right here? It's 562 by 65. The signal's right there at 570, the 100 to go through. Now it's there. Now it's through. Every single time. 500 green for the week. Good job. SSC, nice job. This was FEYE, breaking out right here on the move. $16 stock. I like the short on JNUG up here. It was a good short. Shorted it. I did both sides. Shorted Twitter up here. Twitter was an amazing short. Made like a point on Twitter. Oh no, it's AMD. Just like the Twitter short. Twitter was a good one. And that's pretty much it for the trading. We're looking for an amazing week. Some of the swing picks that are doing good. RLWK rewalk right here is a 105. Looking to take off on the rewalk. They make that exoskeleton. That's been in the news. And the other one I picked was ADMA or AMDA. Yeah, no, it's A. This one's moving up too, but AMDA. Right here, we traded it right here to 55 cents on this big spike day of 3 million shares. And that's it. What's up, Alan? I'm going to do some research on some great stocks for the week, for the swing newsletter. See if we have it. I'm very cautious about the week, but we'll take a look and see what we have in the Market Smith. Let me open my charts. Here's my charts. All right, so we have some action. Let's see what we got. Definitely taking food and dairy products. It's amazing. Listen, the education, my picture tonight, you see this picture? The Furu that gives out the alerts, that has 1,000 people in his chat room, that gives out 9 picks and then says, oh, look, I made money on one of them. And then there's Mojo with the education. But everyone's lined up for the Furu. It's amazing. But with that guy, you wind up like him, man. Look. You ain't one of the first ones to get that pick. Not like the Mojo room. This guy, yep, Mike just gave the signal. It's going through Hines. Going to rebound off stopping station. There we go. Just press enter like he says to do. And perfect. But nobody lines up for the action. It's unbelievable. Just unbelievable. Like tonight, you want to see unbelievable? I think they're sitting there. Check it out. Here's my thing tonight, my email. Alan, they're sitting there waiting for me. Watch. Look. See my email? Look. 6:02 p.m. See the timestamp? 6:02. Right? Let me show you again. Look at that sucker. It's disgusting. It's like they're sitting there, and as soon as I send it out, they press the button and like they got theirs ready too. Here's Kyle at 6:03. It's like they have 1 minute after me, man. And they're like, they don't let me get nothing off. It's like I send out the email so they know they have all the same emails in my list because they've got like the whole internet. And then as soon as I send it out, they go, okay, press the button as soon as Mike sends out his, and then he won't be able to get nobody because we're going to take it over tonight. How sickening is that? It's so sickening. And then you go on YouTube, and all they're doing is touting their Porsches, and they're flying in the planes, and everyone's following the People's Trader, and it's amazing, dude. It's amazing. And I got the newsletter with 9 stock picks in it. 9. If I ever sent out something with 9 picks, I don't know how I would. It would be pretty easy. I know a couple of them would win. Jeez Louise. I'll give some good ones. But the ones I give, they wind up giving them later, like Roxy, Castle Brands, and so many of them. Years later, dude. So they had to change. JB had to change spot. Look at this one. All right, there's some good ones. Let's check out the lists. $1,632. I want to create a new scan. New screen. This is September 2018. New scan. I want to do everything that has price and volume. Minimum of 10 cents. Maximum 20. No, 10. My bread and butter. $3,000. Let's change that. 1,700 stocks. Check them out this week. iPass up big, $1.92. This one down big. I mean, something's up 112. The price. No, what the hell's up? Price change up 707. What, $1.70? Internet Network Solutions 50-day change. What's up, Ferris? So we got all right. Next is AMA. AMA provides live MMA events. 14.9 million in the float. Earnings are due on the 14th. They did 1.1 million and 0.8 versus 0.6. Provides live MMA events. Ain't too bad. 42 cents to make a move to 50. Kind of like it. Traded 21 million, man. Got good volume too. So AMMA, I like it. AMMA. 40 cent. Date August 26th. I like it. That's a good one. There's one. SSC. On demand, enhanced premium content. Cable providers in China. Making big money. IGC, India globalization from 40 cents. I saw this thing. Look at the last couple of quarters, 999 and 999. Traded 8.7 million. Develops physical objects embedded with electronics to help monitor components for OEMs, original equipment manufacturers. Interesting one on the radar right there. Definitely going to make a profit. Looks like from a loss of 2 cents and a loss of 6, it looks like they're going to make a profit for the first time. I like it. I've been following this one for a long time. India globalization. IGC. It's 2 on the list, man. 71 cents to $1 on August 28th. It's 2 good ones. I should stop right now. No one's giving me no super chat, and these picks are too golden, man. You know how much that service cost me? $150 a month just for that service right there. No one's throwing me no bones and nothing. Forget that. I gotta stop. Too much, man. I gotta stop. Gotta halt that. Gotta halt that action, man. Without no love. Oh, yeah, them sons of bitches, man. Oh, yeah. Let's see what else we got, man. You guys know about that super chat. You see that little money sign next to the emoticon. If you click that, you click super chat, you could send me some dollars for all the good, you know, for all the good picks. What's up, GG? So let's check out some other news in the Bruce, if you don't mind. How about we check out some what's happening with the Cointelegraph and the Twitter? Did you know the Bank of America, dude, is trillions of dollars into the blockchain, bro? Bank of America, dude. Can you believe this? Look at this. Bank of America is introing crypto storage pads because you want to know why? They want to hold your private keys because, you know, a lot of people are going to have crypto and they want to facilitate those transactions. So your private keys, people are going to lose them and don't want to have responsibility for them, so they'll hold your crypto and store your private keys. And they're going for the patent on that. So, they're looking to house trillions of dollars in crypto. Crypto, despite the lack of positive price movement in the crypto markets in the preceding weeks, while 2018 making to be remembered the worst bear year in crypto, many pundits within the industry keen to adoption of crypto at its highest point, with multiple fintech firms and bankings looking to move into the space. Bank of America, second largest, has filed the second patent related to cryptocurrency. That's what they do. Same thing with the analysts. TD, what they do is the analysts bash it, but they're bringing it in inventory, and they're like, sell, sell, hold, hold, and then all of a sudden, 9 months later, the analyst turns it around, and they're like, hold to buy, and then they're like, all the brokers could go recommend it to the customers, and they got it in inventory 10 points cheaper. So it's all bullshit. Anyway, they're putting a lot of money into crypto right here, into the storage and the keys. That's what they're doing, boys. Bank of America with the keys. Let me see that patent right here. United States blockchain encryption tag. See? A system that includes a device with a process that's configured to receive the first set of data elements and obtain an encryption key from a memory. The processor is further configured to encrypt the first set of data elements using the encryption key to embed the first set of encrypted data elements within the first block of the chain and generate a first encrypted element, blah, 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 blah. It's a system comprising of network of nodes, and dude, they got a patent on this, bro. So don't tell me, why the hell would they not be wanting crypto in the banks if they're going for these patents and shit? Kidding me? So you better get prepared, dude. When Bank of America sends out to everybody, yo, come on in and deposit your crypto, everyone's going to be like, what the hell's crypto in cycle 3? And they're going to be like, you know what? What is crypto? How do you make it? Really? I could mine it with my computer? I mean, my son's gaming computer he has in there, all I got to do is go on what? Nice hash? And it makes me $5 a day? What? $150 a month on my computer? What are you talking about? And they'll be like, okay, I'll do that. And then all of a sudden, the strength of the mining is going to come in because people are going to realize that they have to support this kind of patent and technology. One person can't do it alone. It's a community mining effect. Cha-ching, baby. Oh yeah. So guys, I'm telling you, Bitcoin is going to be the future. Look what they're doing right there. Bank of America, right on. Look, once the blockchain replaces the rigged centralized stock market transfer agent with peer-to-peer transactions, where I could buy 1,000 shares from 1,000 shares of anything from anybody, I don't need to have no 25,000 PDT rule, will be abolished. Well, yeah. We like that. We like that. We like the abolishment. And everybody should paper trade before risking real money. You should get on the paper trade simulator and get coached to profitability. That's in that tab right there. You click it here. It's the TradeX platform, real-time level 2 right here. Buy the market, sell the market. As soon as I put out the pick, you press buy. Then I say sell. You start selling it right there. Real-time trading. And listen, I'll coach you. On paper, you make a couple of $100 a day. You got big money. Let me show you. Where's my let me show you my outcome goals. Where's my outcome learning board? me find it. So let's see here. Stopping stations. We want. Yeah, I don't have it. Load up here. We're going to search for outcome. Actually, let me just, the best thing to do is just to tweet it. Because this is something that everybody, people have copied. I put this out 6 years ago. A lot of people have copied it. I got 2 of them here. Let me see which one I want to put out. I'll put out this one. And get coached to profit ability. Right here, $100 a day is $24,000 a year. $200 a day, $48,000. $1,000 a day, you make $250,000. $250,000. Yeah, J.P. Morgan too. Jamie Dimon, he's the other guy. J.P. Morgan saying it's the best, and we're the biggest, largest crypto bank. Then they're saying, oh, it's terrible, and Jamie Dimon is throwing stones at crypto. JPM, right here. All I gotta do is JPM. Right here, why JP? Look, double two-faced. JP Morgan's filing for a patent based on DLT does not mean they're now Bitcoin supporters. After, look, another patent, you know? Yeah, Robinhood's always free. Because they give you CFDs, man. They trade from their inventory. Why shouldn't it be free? The more the merrier. That's why traders lose, man. Because the firms trade against you in a conflict of interest. People don't know that. It says it right on your operating agreement. Private blockchain. Look, JP Morgan. Oh yeah, it's coming big. A lot of biggest things are coming together. Nothing can hold this back. And you know, one person, it's easy to turn down the ETF. 2 people, yes, but 13 people, you can't turn down 13 smart people that keep on saying in the same thing, man. You know, this is the new Web 3.0. I don't know if you know it and have seen this chart, but look, in the personal blockchain, you have all these industries, social networks, messaging, content monetization, advertising, reputation, publishing and attribution, supply, Internet of Things, accounting, digital payment, insurance, trading, card provider, funds and investment, digital payments. I mean, look at all these. Cryptocurrency exchanges, currencies themselves, technical right here, layers, VPN, file storage, computation, platforms. Hyperwave, Hyperloop, it's all the future, man. All the future. right here, the U.S. SEC to review 9 Bitcoin ETF applications. On Wednesday, the SEC disapproved a total of 9 inquiries from 3 companies based on ETFs claiming to be products not to comply within this. Drexion is one of them. Drexion that has TVIX, UVXY, and all these. And they're saying Bitcoin's so volatile. Nothing's more volatile than TVIX. And it's got Contago. It only goes down. It's crazy. But there's a company called Van Eck on September 30th that will get approved. They got so much money. Look. U.S. delays decision on Drexion. This is the one, guys, right here. See it? This is it. This is the one. Once this goes through, Van Eck partners with Solidex on a new offering. Dude, this is the company. Van Eck is going to be the first ones. Then the Winklevosses will tag along with it. It's like they can't give the Winklevosses anything, man. They take it. Yep, they wouldn't give them Facebook. Freaking Zuckerberg went in and took the glory from that. They came in second, and now same thing with this, dude. They were the first ones to the party, and now these people are taking all the glory. Van Eck. It's so unbelievable, dude. It's actually disgusting. It's actually disgusting. But that's what you get. SEC to turn on ETF rejection, a balancing for a job adoption. They're going to pass it this year, and then it's going to start to fly in the end of the year. The stock market's going to come down. Money's going to come out of that, go into this, and it's going to be the 2019 year of crypto. And a whole new cycle is going to happen. All right. Nobody throws me no chatty chats, huh? I'm not doing no more. I'm not doing no more picks. Ain't doing no more picks. See what my miners are doing. 273 on, this is Genesis mining right here. 1.4 million steady mega hash. So steady. Look how steady they are. And they have 12,000 miners making 800,000 a month. Not bad. How many Ethereum? 3,000 Ethereum a month. So if you take 3,000 Ethereum, let's say they take 3,000, and they mine it over the next 4 months, is 12,000. And Ethereum goes to 1,000. That's $12 million over 4 months that they'll make. How sick is that? Look at the payment. They're at 1,000. That's amazing. It's just amazing, dudes. Here's mine. I'm lagging behind a little bit. They got 1.5 million. I'm at 5,000. Mojo Miner 1, but I'm much bigger. See, you could see them right here. Let me show you. You could see them. This is Genesis, and their machines are 100 mega hash, 119, 68, 68, 634. They got some like old. They got 1050s. They're running a lot of machines. 12,000. Look at mine. My workers are running 270, 221, 220, 204, 204, 187, 202, twice as much as theirs. So I need half the machines to get to where they are. Hey, if I get 2 payments a day, I'm building up. I got this month. This is this month's pay. I got a little over 11. I got 12.98 And the month's not over yet. And I started down here. Actually, 24th, and yep, 1 month. So in 1 month and 2 days, I've made 12.98 Ethereum. 13 Ethereum. Hey, Ram. Look who's at the door. Let me see. What's up, buddy? You want to come in? You want to see Remy? Come here, buddy. What you doing? Hi. Want to come in? Let me see you. You want to come in? Bonjour. Bonjour, Mr. Remington. He's going to teach MOJO University. Yeah, bonjour, Mr. Remington. Bonjour. Ah, Mr. Remington. How are you? You good boy? Oh, you give me kisses like a good boy. Oh, you smell so good. I know you, good boy. You know what kind of dog you are? You know what kind of dog he is, guys? He's a damn cute dog, ain't he? Crypto values mostly crashed. Ask Mr. Remington, he'll tell you. He'll tell you whatever you want, right, buddy? Absolutely. What's my electric bill? A lot. A lot. That's my electric bill. It's a lot. Want to see the farm? What do I feed him? Dog food. Yes. Here's my mining farm. $90, 39 degrees, 39% humidity. Mine Ethereum. Electric bill's like $1,200 a month. Doesn't make a difference. Took $500 of the mining profits this month with the team. Let me show you what I did. So I opened up an account for the mining, right? For $500 right here in the beginning of the month because mining was shitty. So I opened it up with $500 right here. And on the third day, the fourth day, I made $1,800. Account equity, see that? But P&L, $1,700 in 1 day. Brought it to $1,800. Then from there, brought it another $293. Then it was at $3,200. Then $3,300. So that's what I made this month. So it doesn't matter what my electricity bill is. Free. My mining farm costed nothing. They're all profits from the Heinz trade play and what I'm doing here in the stock market. Look, 3,560 made 712. Look, I'm up to 4,300. These two accounts, I made $10,000 in profits off the stock market. It was given to me. So the mining farm is free. Costed me nothing. And then I get all those coins and all that mining and all that equipment for nothing, thanks to the stock market. And I withdrew $2,000. Now I'm at $2,000, ready to ride that back up to $5,000 this week. And that's what I do. So I do mining, So if the coins aren't working, my trading's always working. Always working. Look at Gurn right here. Gurn was a sick trade. 539. We nailed Gurn. 1,000 shares of Gurn right there. Selling it at 539, boys. We ain't buying it. That's for sure. Here's that TLRY. Nailed that one right through $40. See it? Went right to 42.24 without stopping. Did nice on that one, man. That was a good one. That's it, dudes. JP Morgan's. Oh, I got the Crypterium token. I got some good tokens, man. My accountant's gonna freak. I am my own accountant. I do my own taxes. I do everything. What else do you want to know? I set up the whole mining farm. I built everything. I operate everything. I have the whole trading system for 25 years. I built that. I operate that. I do everything myself. I don't rely on anybody for anything. If you wanted to get something done right, you got to do it yourself. That's why I like golf, because it's a solo sport. I only depend upon myself. Team sports are tough, but I'm always the captain. I pick the teams. It's the way it's been. No, they're not. They're easy. Everything's tracked with a tax ID code in the blockchain. You can't get away from anything. Every transaction's decentralized, transparent, tracked, and they have your name on top of it. Tax ID sent over by Coinbase to the IRS. So you ain't getting nobody behind nobody with taxes. They're on top of your crap and they're ready for you. Believe it or not. Get ready for the Fed coin and the Fed coin wallet. Lost 5 golf balls today. Sucks. I haven't lost 5 golf balls in years. Didn't work. Thought I was live on stock stream. Didn't work. I gotta join this new thing, stock stream, but it didn't work. I'm supposed to be connected to yeah, there it is. I'm live. Now I'm live on there. I just fixed it. So this is stock stream TV. Let me show you. Oh shit. Not letting me begin. Enable my channel. Confirm that your channel is verified. I did that. Not letting me go. But I have this new thing right here on Stock Stream TV. It's not letting me. Hey, you guys see this? I'm sending you this video. It's not letting me go in. See? They want me to test on MOJO Day Trading, go live, but I went live. It's not letting me. Educate. There's my video right there. But it's not letting me begin broadcast for some reason. Prepare my live, put in the title. It's not letting me. Alright, anyway, it's not letting me. Check out the watch list, guys, man. Woo-wee. Check out this watch. I mean, I hit every stock this week that was going up. I bookmarked that page. Stock watch list. I hit SSC at 410, stocks at 5 and change, Bowen 542 for a $1.65 move. Crone I nailed at 9's, a $1.10 move. Nailed some crazy great moves, guys. My competition, losing money. Look, Warrior, lost 3 grand. Well, here we are, lost 3 grand. I'm Ross. I have 2,000 people in my room. I lost 3 grand. You know how long it takes you to come back from 3 grand? A long time, dude. You don't just come back from 3 grand, bro. You don't just come back. Like, oh, yeah, I lost 3 grand. Yeah, dude, it takes days. And you don't get super aggressive after. Yeah, good. Lousy record keeping, back off Coinbase. See you, Garrison. So yeah, this is the MOJO Day Trading chat room. You can look right over my shoulder, come in here for free and come check it out right here like these guys do. Under the traders, all these guys down here, there's thousands of people. Look, 1,000, 1,100 people. They're online, they're offline. Look, right here. Come on in, check out the room. Always posting my trades, might listen to me. Then if you want to get coached and look at my screen share, right here, the screen share channel, you don't see that, but you can actually watch my screen as I trade. I'm calling out the shares, telling you how many to buy, telling you when I'm selling, how many you should sell. So all you have to do is press the button, like I'm practically there, pressing the button for you. That's what I do. I'm in the trenches every single day. Like I got my old fruit stripe gum. I'm like old reliable right there. Just like this guy. Old reliable. Mr. Old Zebra Fruit Stripe. See what he says? You can count on Mojo. Doesn't say tattoos inside. It says, look, you can count on Mojo. Collect all the trade plays. Hines is the key. Take the red one. Let's check it out. See? That's good. Good gum. Old reliable. Hey, Mike, how long you been a member of MOJO Day Trading Room? Mike Marchese, Pro Trader Mar. How long you been a member? No, it's a cack at you, Tom. What else we got? You know why 9 out of 10 traders lose? No system. 2 years. 9 out of 10 fail. See that? Information overload. Can't you go? Information overload. Every person will teach you about charts. It's too much information. It's not about day trading. That's for swing trading. I'm the only real day trading. 30 minutes, we're done. That's it. That's what I specialize in. Been doing it for 25 years. Not for 2, not for 1. Everybody, when I started, I didn't have a mentor or a coach. You can. My mission in Mojo University is to give you the training you need so you can kick the market's ass every single day. That's what we do. What kind of boy? You want to see why everyone fails? I told you. Watch. Why do 9 out of 10 day traders fail? Ask Ask Professor Mojo. Professor Mojo says if you answer yes to any of these questions, then you should not learn on your money, as the tuition costs of day trading are brutal. Your first step is right here. Take the MOJO Day Trading Challenge and paper trade to prove that you could trade your own paper fake money. Then trade your real money. And you get to trade with a firm that gives you leverage with no PDT rule. Okay? Reach profit targets. Have your performance evaluated for the opportunity to trade your own account live. Lack of knowledge that the firms trade against you. Huge conflict of interest. You don't know how to manage share size. No scaling, no system, no journaling, no bad situations. You don't know how to do none of that. That's what you learn inside the classes. Real nice. These are learning boards. This is how I'm building my book, guys. My book. Your trading journal right here. How it all started right here. Keeping the trading journal and what it all means. These are my learning boards. Where do you see my new book that I have coming out? Like this. It's gonna be a nice book, dude. See? It's my book. It's gonna have a nice little quick reference right here. See? Quick reference. Mastering the market right here. See? And all my charts and my books and my learnings. And dude, this is my new book I'm writing, bro. Day Trading for a Living by Pro Trader Mike. It's gonna be Amazon's bestseller, baby. All right, I got some good stocks on the horizon. Nobody gave me no loving with the tips tonight. So how the hell am I going to give out some more stock picks, man? Dang. Yeah, a couple good things with the book. The stock stream didn't work. Oh, look, begin broadcast. It did work. Look. I'm right here. See that? Look. All systems go, baby. Dude, I don't know how that happened. But I'm live, bro. Look, MOJO Day Trading. My first video. I'll get people to join the conversation and join the Stock Stream TV. Go ahead, everybody, go check her out. Stock Stream TV, baby. Love that. Look at that. So I'm streaming there too now. Do they have a Twitter? Let's see if they have a Twitter. Yeah, they did. Stock Stream TV. All systems go. Nice. Beautiful. Oh, look, this stock pick profit. He's on there. So check it out. Join them. Stock Stream TV, guys. Give them a like. Give them a joke. They meant to sell Pro Trade or something. Trader Stewie. I saw Mike or something. Nope. Dreaming. All right. Well, I'm live for the first time. Pretty cool. All right, I did a little tweet. That's it. So guys, come on by the MOJO room. I give you some good picks tomorrow. Anybody could do it. Look at all these guys. Got Mr. Krabs in there now. Cool. Which is cool too. See what's going on the eBay. Alrighty, nothing going on eBay. Amazon, nothing. What else? Before we end it, anything? Anybody got anything? Coins we looked at. How about some tokens? See if there's any hot tokens right now. Check it out. Fetch, the Emergent Intelligent Protocol. Fetch. Okay, what the hell is Fetch? Open link. Fetch.io, open site. Decentralized digital revenue world of autonomous software agents. Fetch AI, building digital future. Vision technology, team contact. We're building. It's a map of the city. Chelsea Avenue, Mark. Meatpacking district, all the streets. Earth. See what they do.
A good idea happens in a split second. You can try to possess it, keep it locked up, or you can let it grow, share it, set it free. Technology should bring ideas to life. So why is it holding us back? Demanding our time and attention, limiting us with outmoded infrastructure, disconnected data, and aging economic models. What if our technology could work with us, not against us? What if we could teach it to think for itself, to solve its own problems, and create a new intelligent economy, a dynamic marketplace, unlocking the power of data, constantly evolving and learning, powering innovation, and bringing ideas to life? Welcome to Fetch. Fetch is an AI and digital economics company. We create dynamic marketplaces so that everyone can monetize the data they own and get access to the data they need. We've created a safe, secure, and trusted digital ecosystem with the power to transform the way we live and do business. Fetch is made possible.
Shitty video. Good team though. A lot of people. Stupid IO. I ain't doing that one. Mobileum, the platform payment token system. Hundreds of those. Rego Block, a centralized asset management. Tier Mountain is not in the US. Already looked at that one. Decentralized that open and token economy. What's Rego Block? Reinvent asset management. Another shitty one. Video probably sucks too.
The world's value is becoming tokenized.
shitty video.
Financial market operates.
I'd never invest in that shit. So the video sucks. I gotta find a good name. None of these have good names. Let's show all the tokens on one page. And let's do a search for coming. Yamirium. Play, review, and share to earn a gaming platform. Yondo coin. Yink. A new way to hire and trust vendors. Yamzu. Esports tournament platform. I like the name of that. Let's check it out. I don't think that sounds like it's here. Nano. That big. That's a good one. Pretty good. That's a good one. Yamzu. Nano. Z-Chain. Zero Bank. Good name. Let's A to Z. Nano's not in here. S. Name coin. Name token. Not in here. Alright. Someone's live on YouTube. Let's check it out. Get notified when everyone. Patrick. Is it 9:30 Monday morning yet? Who's ready to make some money? You know I am. I know you are, Patrick. He's been doing well lately. Good for you, dude. Wish I was your age again. Got the boat. Got the life. Got the chicks. Loving it, dude. Patrick. Good job, dude. Stick to the system. Stay humble. When you feel yourself and it's getting bumpy and shit with the boat and it's really storming coming in, slow that sucker down, dude. Don't push the boat harder into the rough seas, dude. Same thing with the trading. The seas are rough that day, go slow, dude. Pull it back. Don't wreck the account. You don't want to wreck the boat. Took a long, hard work. You care for that, just like you clean it when you come in. You care for it, and you're out there early, watching it. It's your baby. Same thing with the account. That's how you're going to get a bigger boat. Like that one in front of you that had the 2 engines that you were liking for the cruise. That's your next step. All you got to do is, at your thing, keep on making 500 a day. You got the account for that. Dude, 500 a day, 10,000 a month. Do that for 3 months, you'll have a new boat, and you'll still have a $10,000 account. Oh, I'll show you. And you can invite me out to fish. I'll show you how to kite fish. We'll go catch some good fish, man. Absolutely. Play some poker. Go out for some good dinner. Good drinks. all about. Got my poker chips right here, see? Oh! Love the poker chips. So that's it. I'm ready to trade tomorrow. Got a couple of good ones. I think it's going to be a TVIX trading week, and money's going to flow into the crypto. Bitcoin's going over 7,000. Not turning back. Mark my words. Watch. As soon as it hits 6,900, it's at 67, down 1%. As soon as it hits 6,900, buy. Let's say you want to buy $10,000 worth, buy $1,000 worth of it at 6,900. At 69.95, buy $4,000 worth. At 69.99, buy $5,000 worth, and then you'll be in $10,000 worth of Bitcoin, going through 7,000, and you'll make a ton of cash. Go right to 10. Peace. Pro Trader Mike. That's who I am. I want you to keep it profitable, and obviously none of the things on this show are real that we do. Everything's fake, and obviously, and everything with the Bitcoin isn't real either, because Bitcoin's fake, and I don't know about that.